Hello once again everyone, welcome lo another video with me Velani Jacob. Thank you you've been subscribed finish lo YouTube channel me. You were you new lo channel yeah. Forget lo click lo subscribe button below. You got one small bell is up lo side here. You have click him too. You got updates lo notifications. Time we used to put them out one video lo YouTube. Today, Mimi come make one announcement, but before you make an announcement, yeah, you want them go back again to talent purpose blow YouTube channel, yeah. All time you may advocate for precum silence, talk about finance. So you may stop trying blow talk about all financial literacy or financial topics. Blow one very simple Bislama term. You talk Bislama, you talk Pisin. You may start news Solomon Islands or Papua New Guinea. You may have a part 2 page here. More you welcome, feel welcome. You join them page here. YouTube channel here. Subscribe. Join them YouTube channel. Me you start current more updates. One them now you start put them out site. Financial literacy. So today me come out one video here back again. Make one announcement. Suppose you used to follow Facebook page me, but you look me put them out one poster. Got one contest lo YouTube, and you got one amazing prize blowing him. Prize blue emi no applicable you lo Vanuatu no more. You stop lo Australia, New Zealand, you start lo Solomon Islands, you start lo Papua New Guinea, but you save kat Chinese blow winning too lo contest blue me mo prize emi applicable lo you too. So today me want to come out to talk about no more Wanem contest me about Wanem more how number you save part blow contest there you win him amazing prize where Henny stop in store for you. So the contest also me open lo everybody, and to be part of the contest, and it's so easy that anybody can be part of the contest. Contest me call them rule blame me also. You got one question more you answer them. More question me call them from one now financial literacy any important more you cut savelhem. From one now financial literacy any important more any need you cut savelhem. You answer them lo comment section down below. More you hashtag lo talk ya precum silence talk about finance. All right, so hemi no hemi rule blue you save enter lo be part of the contest. Click subscribe first time. After you save a comment down below, comment down below. Blow you save kat Chinese blow be part blow winning one amazing prize. One now hemi amazing prize yeah. Prize emi 30,000 vatu. You not got anything to lose. You have nothing to lose. Just comment down below. Click subscribe. More you comment down below. Blow you save kat Chinese blow winning one 30,000 vatu prize. 30,000 vatu equivalent. You stop lo Australia, New Zealand, or you stop lo Solomon Islands, Papua New Guinea. You must have a convert them. You come call currency blue, or you must send it all you. Lo wherever location where you stop lehem, the price blame him 30,000 vatu. It's open for anybody to be part of the contest. More, the only last contest we make them. One first contest we make them, and there could be more of contest also where Mr. come in the future. But for you to be part of contest also, just click the subscribe button, more notification bell, yeah, you get notified every time you put them out one video, blow financial literacy or any content will come out. Thank you. Me hope any clear, you may understand them all rules, me Ansarem contest, yeah. Once again, it's open for everybody. Where only save how to talk Bislama or talk Pisin. So you understand them video, yeah. You know, got any something to lose, just comment down below. Mo put hashtag blue. Thank you back again. Mo me hope video me clear. Mo me wish him every one will you want them participate lo contest there. All the best, and lo site blow awarding blow prizes. But you may everyone come together back again. But you may notify me once you may reach him target blue me lo subscription. We're aiming for 1,000 subscribers. Suppose you may